Using the Sample-Superstore data, find what percent of sales made in the year 2020 came from customers acquired in the year 2018. So as you can see, I've already connected the Sample-Superstore dataset. And to answer this question, first I need to compute the customer acquisition date, or rather the date when each customer made their first purchase. And to do that, let's create a new calculated field. Let's call it customer acquisition date. And in this case, I'm going to use the fixed level of detail. So fixed, whereby in this case, I want to fix the customer ID to compute the minimum order date. So this is the function which I'm going to use to compute the customer acquisition date, or rather the date when each customer made their first purchase. So basically what we're doing, we want to evaluate every customer ID and return the minimum order date, which is basically the first day they made their purchase. And now to answer the question, first of all, I'm going to build my view, whereby I'm going to create this view to show the sales generated in different years by dragging, let's say, order date to the columns to show the different years, and sales to the rows. And let's label the view and probably change this one to a column chart. So now from this view, you can see that the year 2020 generated, or rather the total sales generated in the year 2020 is 733,215. But now the question is, of this total sales, how much came from the customers acquired in the year 2018? And to answer that question, first of all, I'm going to segment these sales by the date of acquisition. So let me just drag the customer acquisition date to color. And automatically now you can see that of the total sales generated in the year 2020, around, using this legend, you can see the year 2018. So around 131,772 came from customers acquired in the year 2018. But now the question is, what percent does this represent? So let's compute percent by adding a quick table calculation. So come here and add a quick table calculation percent of total, which in this case is computed table down. And you can see that of the total sales generated in the year 2020, 17.97% of those sales came from customers acquired in the year 2018. And basically, that's how you could have answered that question. Thanks, everyone.